A little scared of the camera, but hello everyone. I'm working on the JK again today. We got a front drive shaft seal to replace. I believe it's called an Rzeppa. I don't know how to say that, but it's part of the seal that goes into the transfer case, is flinging grease everywhere. So I bought this awesome Terraflex kit to supposedly will fix the pinion angle and allow this not to happen again. So they've got an awesome video on YouTube about this, so I'm gonna give you some highlights. If I find anything weird or whatever, I'll show it to you. But other than that, I'll get this done. Let's get started. All right, I got the thing out from under there. The drive shaft bolts on the U-joint side are real tight, so you got to get a breaker bar under there and break them. These weren't too bad. Just make sure you got the 5/16 that fits pretty well. I almost rounded one of them off. Yeah, there's why I'm replacing it. That was flinging grease everywhere. So, all right. This is an entire replacement of this bit. So I got everything from the bearings to the caps, and they even came with new bolts and a hose clamp and stuff. I did have to buy this tool to install this clamp here, and that's the only special tool I needed. And then they sent this to install the new bolts, which is handy. Pretty grateful for that. That's pretty cool. So, all right, I'm gonna knock this thing off and start the replacement. Got her. All right, y'all. Historically, snap rings don't go well for me, so we'll see if this lives up to that. No, it wasn't too bad. Pretty low on grease, though. Okay, and now I believe this will tap off once I get this hose clamp off.
Oh yeah.
Look at them bearings in there. That's pretty cool. It's a shame this whole thing has to be replaced. You can't just replace this back bit. Oh well. This is a good time to find some gloves. I think so. Putting on gloves, right? Think that's smart? Whatever. It'll keep most of the grease off.
It's like pre-applied reflings.
Oh, don't tell me that's supposed to be on there. Take two. There we go.
Ew. Still no.
Thanks so much, buddy. You're my savior. Okay, now that I, installed every piece that's supposed to be installed, I made this a million times harder. Put this on the threads on that side and use the Allen key that they gave us to install everything else. All right, let's get this back on the car. All right, folks, that's done. Got it all torqued down to spec, and we'll go test it tonight. Turn on the 4-wheel drive, see if it works. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. Hope you have a laugh at my stupidity there, forgetting the washer thing. So, oh well, got her done. Won't make that mistake again. Read the directions twice. Measure twice, cut once. Read the directions twice, do it once. All that fun stuff. So, all right. Fun day in the garage. Thanks for joining me.